is a 2-year-old.
How are you, 2-year-old?
You okay?
Yeah.
But did it take you long to get back?
Let me take out my shoes, yeah?
Yeah, you can. Come on, take your tablet. Go on. Can you get some?
Yeah, the guy just called me, so I was going for the call. So the car is ready.
This is my little room.
Oh, God. Ah. Nice and cozy.
Yeah.
I love it.
See?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. I love this. Like my sister, my niece.
Does she like makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
I love this. Cozy and nice.
Did it take you long to get here?
Nah, not really.
I thought you would.
Not really. Because when I take the 55 bus, and then I call you and say I reach at Hackney Bar.
Definitely. Let me give you 1 second.
Yeah. I reach already, man.
Come.
Him. you coming like me.
How?
Pile up everything.
Oh, you know what? I always get it for my birthday.
Always pile them up.
Yeah, and just only sometimes I'll drink.
I don't drink anything, so.
Do you know?
I've got 3 buckets at my house.
You don't like it?
No, I don't drink it.
Why?
Do my head in.
Just it?
Yeah. Give me my rum. Give me my Jack Daniels. And then give me Kvarssi.
Is it the round bottle?
Yeah. And then give me my this vodka thing, Grey Goose.
Oh no.
I love Grey Goose.
See?
Yeah.
So you go out, what do you normally drink? Rum?
Rum.
That's it?
Yeah.
So you wouldn't drink a Bel Air?
I drink Bel Air. I don't fancy that much.
The bubbles?
The bubble, I don't fancy that. I got a box at my house.
You don't fancy it?
No.
Oh. Hennessy, sometimes if I go out.
I don't drink it, no. Hennessy and Kvarssi, no. I used to drink it and it stopped.
It gets you drunk, but
yes. When I wake up in the morning, it
it gives you a headache.
So I don't drink it.
Definitely.
I don't drink it. Now I know you love cologne and can buy some for you.
Yeah, I try to sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes, yeah, I do. Oh, she's at work. Yeah, soon I can next. Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Just come look for you.
Yeah.
And then you have to pick up this ride and all. The brakes give away on me.
How far is it?
Byron Road. I live at Byron Road in Baker's Arm, and then the mechanic just run on the other side of the road.
Oh, not far from you. Okay.
No, just like a walking distance.
Oh.
Yeah. But I'm going to sell it and get another one.
I'm buying a Vauxhall next month.
Yeah?
From my friend. Well, no one knows, only my mom. Just something that I can learn to drive with because of Corona.
Automatic.
No, it's a manual.
Manual.
Yeah,
don't buy diesel, you know?
No, it's not diesel, it's petrol.
Okay.
Petrol.
Okay. Because my BMW is diesel.
Is it bad?
I'm going to sell it.
Is it really bad?
Yeah, they said the diesel, they're going to take out the diesel out of the UK, out of London.
Okay.
Not in England, but just in London. So I'm going to sell it in the countryside.
Oh.
And again, I didn't want to plan to send it go home. I said, I want to sell it because I want to buy a Range Rover.
Oh no, it's just something for me to learn to drive because now you can't do your license because it's closed.
So you can use our minds as well.
I don't have to drive. So I'm buying a small car so I can learn how to drive. Because I don't want my cousin.
Okay then, that's fine.
But I don't know how to drive because I don't want to buy a nice car and then smash it up or scratch it or anything. So my friend, he's selling his Vauxhall for 1.5.
Okay.
So I just started saving. I said I'm gonna buy it next month and just try driving. Cause I don't want to buy an automatic car. If I buy an automatic car, I'm not gonna want to learn to drive a manual. And if I do my license, it's gonna have to be a manual. So I don't want to. Yeah. Because a BMW, if you scratch that, to get parts is so expensive.
It's expensive.
And you have to buy a BMW parts as well.
Last week before, I spent £800 on it.
Wow.
Just by service. Just by the service. Service, change the oil, change the filter, service it properly, £800.
By BMW? Shit.
Yeah. And then I changed, and plus the four tire them was in. And plus the guy then said they have to line it up because it was leaning. Because what happens when you drop into pothole?
Yeah, it leans.
That caused all your lining go out. So I have to pay for lining £800. Car is expensive, man.
It is, but then at the same time, you're not always having to do your drive. Like, it's always good to drive.
Yeah. I love it, guys.
Is it? Yeah, until we move, because
I would keep back here for the whole fucking day and just wait.
Is it cozy?
Yeah.
Because I'm always, I don't hardly, sometimes I'm at home, sometimes I'm downstairs, in my sitting room.
Yeah.
But because my little brother, he hasn't started talking yet, so they're thinking that he has a disability.
Okay.
So they probably think he has
just like my cousin.
speaking, but because he's so young, they don't know
young.
this yet. Or the way how he moves, because he's born premature.
When you get 4, you're going to see the reaction.
Because you're born premature.
Ah,
yeah, so he was meant to be born in August, but he was born in May. So he was born way before his time.
Okay.
So yeah, because of Corona, we've already been moved into a 4-bedroom because so he can have his own little space. Because we're upstairs, he meant to be outside a lot, so he gets the park. Sometimes it's so long to take him to the park, so he meant to get a downstairs. So when I do get that, then I'm gonna fix up.
Fix up on that.
Yeah.
Try to make us send you the money that you can go to your ear.
Oh, I wanted to go to Versace's party, and I was like, I don't want to go to Versace's party with my hair like this, because I saw you on Saturday, but the way how you were stand up, you were so far, because I was at the back. I was at the back, and I think I saw your sister, but she saw me, I just waved at her, but I couldn't, to walk all the way up, there were so many people.
Because some of the time, me and Trey saw them par, me and Trey saw them follow them on Arsenal, man.
Because I know Arsenal, because he brought me to the thing, I know him.
Sometimes me and them par.
Oh, okay.
And then when I go back again, and I
you saw my friend, yes. That's it. But by the time when she said, Krista, do you know who that is? And I was like, no, she's like, the guy. But by the time I looked back, you was already gone.
Yeah.
You was already gone.
Yeah.
Because you passed right next to her.
Yeah.
She told me, I was like, are you sure? No, I was like, oh shit, he's already walked off. I didn't know I looked back, I didn't see.
You might get off miserable.
No, that's how he's always on his tablet. He walks around the house. By the time I look back, I didn't see. I was like,
especially Arsenal, man. I do not want him to know my business.
No, he's the worst out of all of them.
His mouth is like, I don't know what I say.
Is it?
Yeah, his mouth is unbelievable. And when you come that party, Trey Star, you know what he tell his Trey Star wife? You know that you're Aussie talking to this girl. And I called him one time, I said, come here. Why you are you with? Yes, the woman both, the man and one other woman. Why you know if they are Jamaica, you dead?
No, because you know what's so you see when I come to the parking lot, I didn't know no one but Sparks.
But Sparks, yeah.
And I see, you know, because Trey Star keeps...
man, I like him, but...
No, because you know Trey Star keeps a couple parties, and I know he was going to keep a headphone, so I was just talking to him like, when you're going to get a headphone, and I saw him at our house party, he was just talking to me like, I'm going to keep my headphone, just like Versace, I gave Versace my number, just because I know they do headphone, but he was doing some diet thing. You know that drink thing, I wanted to buy it off of him. Is it not good?
I spend 400 and something pound by it. something on by, and my niece is a nurse. She said, Uncle David, let me tell you something. You see this?
Yeah.
It's not good.
Really?
It's all fake. It's all fake, Uncle David. It's all fake. All the dons on Monday drinking and rum and buying it because they got a big belly. It's not helping you at all.
Really?
It's just wasting money.
Money. Shit.
I use it. It's a waste of money. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, that's the only reason he gave me his number at the party, and that's why we're all talking. So, and then when the lady, she was asking me, oh, when you not want to come, just come, and it's just a high thing. So when he's always talking. You know how, because you know why, he's been looking at me for years now. And I haven't, Sparks. And because I put him like, oh, you're my friend, like, because I know how you are, so I'm not going to put you on my head. I'm not going to entertain you. And only when I go parties, sometimes I'm like, oh, what party you at? And, we'll come, but he always try to talk to me, he always try to bring news, like,
because when I saw you guys, I said, Sparks, I like her, Sparks, I'm my girl, it's my girl. Okay.
No, because he will say that. It's just the thing is, if I go party with Sparks, when you're there, more come. Because I'll go party with two men and I don't feel no type of way come. Yeah. More say like, I can hold my ground, you know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So when he invited me, I told my friend, because she lives nearby, come with me, man, I don't mind.
Sparks.
And I was just like...
Listen, I'm scared of him.
Nah, his mouth, because even my ex, his mouth is not nice.
I'm scared of him, big time, scared of him. I am scared of Sparks. Telling you the truth. I don't even want Sparks to know that I fly go Jericho and come back.
Shit.
Yes, just the way I'm telling you.
Because you know what I've noticed with him, he wants to get friends.
Yes.
Which is, I don't know, like, that, I just observe him.
I don't know if you know, Chef, this dancehall girl.
I don't know.
You heard of her, man. She keeping this party. She keeping this party as well. Make me find it. You know Chef, man. I think you know Chef.
Where's the Sachi thinking to keep his one though?
I don't even know, you know, he said it's local because
in the
Uncle Chef.
Yeah. I know her because of she keeps parties and
Me
stuff.
and her used to date.
Is it?
Out and Sparks find out. And Sparks say to my girlfriend, my baby mother, watch him, man, Chef a deal. Yes. I mean, he never talked for about a couple months. And I said, Sparks, your mouth.
That's so...
Your mouth?
I can understand. You see, if you go out, and when you say you did it, you can't violate sex that way. Once you know, so you know what it is already, you can't...
You got to tell my baby mother, he take out 500 pounds, give her.
That's weird.
Yes, his mouth are scared of him.
That's mad. You will mash up people's life, fam. Mash up people's life.
I like your place.
See? We're going to get a little boost. I always say, I want to move out on the side. You know what I can save? And buy myself a nice little cozy place. Then it's fine. It's fine. Thank you. I need to lose a little weight. At the belly. Yes. No.
You're okay.
You're with the belly, then yeah.
Put that. Support my shoulder.
No, I'm going to get two little tattoos biting on my legs.
Put it nice, though.
Oh. Yeah. Think of yourself. For a normal meal.
Yeah, that's
In malt.
In malt, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's true. Suck them and rub them down. Mm-hmm. Suck it with them small. You better there.
Because when I saw you today, you were never outspoken, so I'm so shocked. You were so shy. You were so shy. The day I saw you.
I like it before.
You know I've been single from December.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, make it up. Look.
December.
I'm gonna get you one. Yeah, fuck you.
Let me put my brother in the room. In my sleep. In my leg. You're so, when I saw you, you were so shy. There you go. Tell who? Who do I know that he knows you? Me? What are you scared of? Like what? No, tell me. Like what?
Woman.
Are you? Are you been for a lot with like females?
Huh?
Are you been for like shit with women?
They use me and fucking. So they know that I'm kind and I look about them. They use me and. Oh, sorry, I got me and my boyfriend going back together.
Really? Especially when you date women in the dancehall scene.
That's why I want to stop.
That's really bad.
That's why I want to stop it.
That's really, really bad. Because they're all
and then Chef, they want me to do this tour and she said, let me be there. I said, no, you're not videoing me. No way. And I put on my clothes and got through the door. She said, you're covered. I said, yeah. I said, no.
Yeah, no shit.
No, you know. Me, you do something, give me a you.
Yeah.
Don't tell me about your go video me. No.
That's too much.
Yeah. I said, no. And that's I'm scared.
Oh. And once you date women in a dancing scene, it's too much already. Because there's already eyes on you today. Yeah. That's mad. That's crazy. That's mad. Are you? I don't think you are. When I first met you, I was like, oh my god.
You see the call?
Kind of. I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know.
No. I only been in 3 times. can't underestimate people. I said you can't underestimate people at all.
Hey, Mama Bird, you see where I go on? Me and Chef never fuck yet. Me don't even know if Chef a man or Chef a woman. Yeah? Me and Chef never fuck yet now, no. Maybe a joke me I run for them blood clot long time there. Zane? And somebody send a message go get Sally. And two, me and Sally in a hot water cause she want 4,000 pounds to go do her belly and two me not give her the money. And then two me go find out say she and Dodos a fuck. And she lick out Dodo's battery hole and suck Dodo's cock. Zine, make Sally a behave so with me. Zine, but for the end of the day, me and Chef never fuck. Me no know if Chef a man or Chef a woman or no. Zine, them say people make mistake in our life and people always hype up themselves for no reason. Zine, me no never true me a talk to the girl and say, I mean the girl a reason. Yeah, through me I look the girl or something and say, oh, me did with that girl, but me never me no. Zane, that's why people not if you run joke, you know. Zane, a whole heap of people always ask me, David, you young chef stand up all the time. Young chef them. I say, nah, chef coming like my sister. Nah, chef coming like my sister. And that would never happen between me and chef. No time at all, because chef is my sister. I mean, go with family. Zane, you get what me I say? But true for the end of the day now, me not give Sally the money now if you go do her belly now, it a carry grievance for her and she want the Range Rover. I mean, no give her money for go buy with blood clot Range Rover now. Yeah, for she and a young boy if he drive up in a Range Rover and all them blood clot fuck with it. You get me? See? And true, me tell her, I say, how comes you lick out those blood clot body hole and sucking cock from this so me not fuck Sally again and kiss her. Oh, me fi go kiss a blood clot bow cat girl where I suck blood clot a lick out man body hole. Eh? Oh, me fi go suck a kiss a girl where I lick out man body hole and then suck me there and I suck man cock. Eh? And say me and my wife, say she and my wife. Eh? Out of that she blood clot out of that man. See? And whether if me and Sally have something and Sally get the voice message as a woman to a man or a husband to a she should come and say, oh, what can I argument this? I want this that girl has sent to me, I want this I go on. You get what me I say? Stand up as your own as your woman. See? Instead of she go send a picnic thing she deal with. Yeah? You get my mama bird. See, but mama bird as well, me can't say, me and Chev never fuck yet. I don't even know if me a blood clot. I don't even know if Chev a man or a blood clot woman. You get what me I say? I don't even know. Enough girl in a dance, I don't even know if them a man or a blood clot woman. Me just cut and go through. And heal them up and go through. And that's it.
Chef clean man, you're all man for chef. Chef not take all man, you're all man, you're too out of that. But you tell girl, you used to fuck chef. You know the top girl, you're in a dance. Man, you know man chef, I used to say no. Man, ribbit it in your ears. And that's you say no. You know no. You don't know the girl man, she keep dance. And the girl say, what she say? The girl say, yeah. And you find the picture, you can find a picture. And show the girl and she say, yeah man, me know her man. At them time that you get the pussy for suck or fuck or anything that you do to it. Yeah. Cause the girl, she say, you're a top man now cause you sleep with chef. And that you say, you know? To the girl, you know?
Mama bird?
Yes, true word.
Mama bird?
Yes, top chef. Yes, chef. You know,
I put myself in a problem.
yes, you put yourself in a problem because chef are gonna knock out your blood clot. Chef are gonna knock you out.
Yeah, man.
You in problem.
No, right now, if she wants, she can come push a knife in me and kill me.
Yeah, man, cause you're rude. You're rude, brother.
Me no care if she want to come kill me right now.
She's not gonna kill you, but she's gonna knock you out. Cause guess what? And man, you have them argument and I'm a real man. A problem fear.
She want to come knock me out, she come knock me out.
But
what me I say? But what me I say, mama,
yes, brother.
if you and your husband have a local conflicts are going, me know you now go as a big woman. Do certain things. Yeah? Figure make your man in a problem and disrespect your man like that. See?
Yeah, because alright, me who do that to my man. Me who do that to my man. Me just hold it at me anymore. Me who said that for my man because this grace.
She have to do if she get the voice message, she will say,
hey, you too know. I saw you have said by your mind that you are look a pussy now. Yeah, I saw Chef in your task that you are look a pussy now. You call up Chef name. I say you never know set a record. Who record it?
I don't know, mama, but I don't know if a long time them fuck with them. They go on.
Yeah, not just yesterday it happened. And just yesterday it happened.
A long time them fuck them something that.
Yeah, but you look like you are infatuated about Chef. You tell girl that you are infatuated about Chef.
Right.
Because you say you don't know the girl the money not the dance, but when name Chef, man, she keep dancing. That's the saying.
For the end of the day, mama bird. If you are my wife, and me not give you the money,
yeah.
You should even deal with me like that.
No. Yeah. Because you say no disgrace by you. Just like as why you disgrace Chef.
Yeah, me look exactly. Me look on her, me say to her, say, alright, you have the lawyer for pay $3,000. You have this for deal with. You have the house for deal with.
Yeah.
The $8,000 when me get to my bonus, me I put it down in case if your brother come war with you for the house. We have the money can pay up lawyer name something there.
That's true.
Wait man, don't bother go do no belly yet.
Yeah,
when I run go a turkey go do belly for. See? And then now, me go find out say she and Dodos are fuck. Yeah? Sally and Dodos are fuck. And
Sally and Dodos are fuck?
Yes.
How much blood clot there?
Sally and Dodos are fuck. And how much she lick out Dodos body hole and suck him. Yeah? And all them something there. Me know, mama and bird, me know all them something there. She cry the living in your water and tell me, so she's sorry. Because when me find out...
And she do this stay now? And she lick out dollars back to her?
Yeah. This when me find out. This when me find out. She confessed and she said to me, so she never mean for that to happen. I remember when me there go through with the married thing with her.
Yeah.
Them something, them time there. She said because of that me she go do it.
Yeah, fine. But, no, sir.
She said that's why she go do them something there. So I said, oh, and you lick out those party hole and so call him bars and cat.
Then you not in a bars and a order.
You get what me I say, mama, but I mean I tell her, say you won't clean, sir.
Yeah.
You should have do them something there to man.
To man, no, your husband alone must do them something too.
Exactly. And two other day, you know, mama bird, me rocks her up Portica, mama bird, me go tell you the God joke. And
you know me like that.
Me stand up here, so. Me a deal with a man. Me a deal with a man down at Jamaica. And the man called me and said, listen.
What, sir? Obia man?
Yeah. That make him make a gathering for me and him read me about Sally and our brother. She said, the man tell me, say, Sally brother go one man with a picture, with my picture and fear picture, to kill we. Cause the brother this send a message to Sally phone, you know, say, she nah get the house, him go kill her and kill me.
I will see one.
Yes, and we go to police station, go report it. Anyway, no, mama bird, me get somebody link me on a man down a yard. And when the man a deal with me, the man tell me everything.
Okay.
Even when Todos and Sally a fuck the man tell me, you want me tell you the truth now?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Monday, yeah, the man call me phone.
Yeah.
No, Monday. Friday, the man call my phone.
Okay.
And say, you there home? I say, yeah, man, boss, man, I reach home, man. I send after money that to you already, you know. You receive it. Him say, yeah, man, me not talk about that. Him say, your wife there beside you. Me say, yeah, man. Him start talking a tongues, mama bird. Him say, mother, plant me name on the back of the house by parchment paper, hold me down. So I must dig up on the back and release it.
So you release it?
Me release it. Me find them.
Okay.
Me find them, mama bird. The man come.
We be not lying now.
Mama bird, me find them. Mama bird, shape and God.
Cause God will kill you, you know. Alright.
Exactly. Mama bird. The man say, your wife a year? Me say, yeah, man, she a year.
Yeah, cause she for ear.
Tell your wife.
So you not take the picture with them parchment paper there?
Me have them wrap up. Now go take the picture and send them come show you. Mama bird, the man say your wife a hear me? Mama bird, call her and ask if the man will tell her that. Call her, me I tell you that. The man say she a hear me, me say yeah man. Tell her me say. Me never tell the man them something there. Tell her me say the belly where she want to go do, she for quiet herself. And tell her me say, and the young boy where she a fuck, she want to go do the belly for.
Yeah, she want sexy up, she don't want sexy up for you.
So me say what you say? Him say, you know, you me just say, your wife have a young boy a fuck.
Okay.
Because through you not get no money and you have up the look of money down at Jamaica. Cause she don't hear the man to me now. Don't she bother you for the money down at Jamaica where you have.
Jesus Christ.
Hear the man to me now. Don't you have 9.2 million down a yard in your bank account? Put it on top of her head and it shows. The man said, listen, me I tell you everything in my yard. Me I see in your house right now. Your wife they have her hand on her jaw now, she put it on top of her head and it shows blood clot through mama bird.
Right in front of you?
Right in front of me. Tell her me say the young boy where she have, he no want her. He go and fuck her up. Tell her me say she fi stick to the evil where she know and the man start speaking in tongues mama bird. Okay. The man say, she lose 3 picnic that day. She dash her 3 picnic that day.
She lose them, man. She not dash nothing.
The man say, listen, she lose them. The man say, no. She dash her 3 picnic.
You be a man a thief too, you know. You think they know how to take off? You be a man a thief too.
She dash her 3 picnic other day for the boy.
Where the blood clot, you say?
The boy say, nah, mine no picnic. And she dash it away. And when I tell her she a plan for come give to you. But you smart. You know if she carry belly come in there. You are going to know say no fear.
I sleep with her.
Exactly, you are going to know say the pit.
Your body too little for her though. Your body too little.
No, mama, brother, not that.
Your body too little for Sally one big rama.
No, mama, bird. Oh, not
Radam!
Let me tell you with Sally. He the man to no. She bother you for the Range Rover for buy, don't it?
Already blow out, she want big car.
Yes, and me tell her so she not get no Range.
But I'll not advise what you tell the woman say you have a car and you go sell the car all them blood clot. They make you wicked and lie so.
Zin?
Lord Jesus, problem there. So you that work, Papa?
Me just a lift off mama bird.
Boy, trouble there, brother, trouble there. Trouble there. You have to do something about this. Me I tell you, you have to put back for tell the public so you never sleep with Chef because Chef head hot can no fear in David. Me I tell you now.
So what you want me to say there on Instagram?
How with the blood clot yet all over London, Mr. Chef hot. Brother, you call Chef now.
No. Mama bird, me I go write on Instagram and say listen, what go on?
Make it and give me. Make a voice note and send. Come give me now.
Eh?
Make a voice note and send and give me now.
Like what? Like
You know if you correct and you say you fuck Chef. So you know where you correct and the lie where you tell. So you correct that and send it. Come give me.
Alright, me gonna send it on WhatsApp. Come.
Yeah. You know it's gonna beat David. Time same love for her. She die for you now. She die for you now. Baby, talk to each other, man. Come on, baby, talk to her, man. Talk to her, man.
Don't touch me.
Where you walk ago? Where you walk ago? You talk on the phone. Talk to her now. Talk to her now. Talk to her now. Yeah. Hold on a minute, listen, man. It's gonna slap you up, man.
Come to kind of video when I talk to you.
No. Talk to him. So where you go?